What's going on, guys? Well, we all woke up this morning seeing Bitcoin drop like crazy. And I'll be honest, guys, right now we have some metrics that updated this morning and we are seeing short trades increase in the market for Bitcoin. So that's obviously not a good sign. We're going to talk about that and where we can possibly be going in this video. And I'll show you guys how we have literally won 121 trades in a row. Even in a bear market cycle, we are still winning trades. And on top of that, we have the healthiest account in a bear market cycle. I'll show that to you guys. Guys, take a moment today, sign up, trade with us. And I think it'll be the best decision you guys will make of 2021. So let me not just talk about it. Let me prove it to you guys of what we're looking at here. So for Bitcoin, we got 4 different buy limits. We're currently sitting down 13.65%. I'm not personally in Bitcoin because I've got money literally in everything else that we trade over here. I'm going for USD. So I think you guys can actually snag out a little bit more money if you're trading other altcoins because you make more on the percentage swings from altcoins than Bitcoin. But we'll dive in here nonetheless. Okay, here's what you guys need to be watching for. We have this ascending channel. So we've got an ascending resistance and an ascending support line that we ended up breaking. So this is the line that I was watching very strongly. You know, we were talking about this bounce that we were looking for at 42,700. Yes, we did end up getting the bounce, literally stopped right at that spot and then bounced. But we started to head back down here. Okay. You must restructure your guys' charts now to find the next greatest support. And the next greatest support I can find here for us is actually taking this low here and this low over here, and we're looking at this descending support line on Bitcoin. I know this is really far down there, but that puts us around that $28,000 mark. I do not think we're going to head down that far before we see it move back up, but I want you guys to keep that in mind as we go through today's analysis. Take a look at the price versus well money flow, what's happening with price relative to well money flow. So what I'm looking at here, guys, is we ended up seeing that price action. Let's start here. Let me move down with the trend exhaustion. This shows you guys what's happening with the price structure. So is structure exhausted from going up? The way we tell this is when the trend exhaustion pushes to the top red section, this is where we're looking for drops back down in crypto. So we see the drop called here, we see the drop called there, and we see the drop over here. This didn't get to the top section, but something you can see is we saw well money flow high as well as trend exhaustion fairly high, looking for that move back down. If you guys are following the call on the video last week, I was mentioning to you guys, this is what's called a bear flag to the downside. Impulse move down with an ascending channel, basically is how we call bear flags here. So what I'm watching for is, yes, we can look in the past and we can see the accuracy here, guys. It's very clear. When this is high, we're looking for drops back down. But also, when trend exhaustion is low like this and well money flow is moving down, we're trying to look for those moves back up. Now, why did this not get a higher move back up? My personal opinion about that is because it wasn't low. This is why you guys use two indicators. When trend exhaustion is low and well money flow is low together, this is where they're syncing up and you guys are looking for your scalping trades, 3 to 4% in the market, or you're looking to get into some trades. Very good indicators. You guys will get this in the description. They're 82% off today. So taking this into account, we are down here at this bounce zone now where, yes, we could head down a little bit further, but I'm watching for the bounce back up on Bitcoin. We will go over the supports of where I think that's where it's gonna come down and start bouncing back up. Okay. Here's what we're doing, guys. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. You guys can join us. This is what you guys pay. Everything's up front and it's honest. All the metrics you'll get access to. We're going to go over those in just 30 seconds here. And less than that. Telegram channel, all entries and exits you guys will get. The master classes are all yours. The community chat where you get to hang out with a community of traders who have done extremely, extremely well trading these markets. And guys, I'm going live on Zoom in exactly 3 days here, April 14th from 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Everybody with a membership, you guys will end up getting the link in Telegram right here, to join me in that, okay? Let's go over Bitcoin charts. Okay, let's go to the front page, click on Bitcoin charts and move down. The emotional index today is sitting in the fearful section. We did dip down into fearful. This makes sense. People are freaking out. They're like, oh my gosh, how low can we go? This is a great time to look for a scalping opportunity. Trend exhaustion in the bottom red section. Well money flow low. You've got emotional index down into the fearful and the anxious section. This is where you guys are looking to get in the market for 3 to 4% scalp. Make sure you use the buy limits. I'll show you at the end of this video. So you guys are using good risk management on that. But very good place to start trading here. All right. Well, here's something interesting. This literally updated this morning, and we're about right here, and short trades were increasing as of this morning. But here's the sign, guys. Yes, short trades are increasing, and we're probably going to start trying to target this lower support here, right around this level, about 37,500. So make sure you guys remember that. Write this down on the iPad for us so we can remember this. 37,500. That's what I'm looking at as far as a potential move back down. But do you guys also see this morning that long trades increased as well? So here's what can happen. I know you guys, some people are freaking out this morning being like, oh my gosh, crypto is going to crash all the way back down, probably looking at this support here about $35,000. Okay, I understand you're looking at that, but hear me out on this. Long trades increasing are going to put pressure on short trades. If this market starts heading back up here, it's going to trap short traders, and that's going to force them to hit stop losses as well as move their trades back to long trades because it can move back up. Okay, just make sure you guys are watching that, because this is more of a neutral sign than it is a big bearish sign. Yes, short trades are increasing. That's undisputed. And that, I believe, is going to start pushing us down, but we're seeing a little bit of competition here. As we move down, look at the market cap strength. The market cap is actually, look at this morning, guys. This is very interesting. This morning, short trades increase on Bitfinex, but the overall market cap for Bitcoin, if we get in here and look at this morning, it actually moved up. So this means wells and institutions, because retail traders aren't moving this thing, wells and institutions are actually looking to buy this dip right now. Like literally, they are buying. They're like undisputable stuff. This is why I love the metrics that we have over here, guys. When we look to code these and give them out to you guys, we're like, we can't have anything biased of what we think, should be happening. No, let's use some data over here. So when you see this green line move up, it literally means people are selling other altcoins and they're putting it into Bitcoin, because this is showing you the market cap of Bitcoin relative to the entire market. So if the market cap of Bitcoin goes up on this metric, you have to have people selling altcoins and putting it into Bitcoin. Okay, just so you guys know that. This is honestly a bullish sign. They are buying the dip. Wells are buying the dip. Period. Undisputable. Okay, we can see this over here by market cap going up. Looking at this over here, trades in favor, pushing down closer to a good long trade, guys. An amazing place to look for those scalping positions up for 3 to 4%. Well, institutional smart money, they're coming out here looking for this. It's so funny, guys. We were looking at this and people are wondering like, man, Travis, I think this is just going to keep going. It's just going to keep going because the whales aren't getting what they want. Do you remember what I tell you guys? The whales and institutions, I don't want to say always because that's not accurate, but I would say 95% of the time, these guys are going to get what they want. When you see well and institutional smart money shorting the market out over here, they're going to get what they want. They have made so much money on this drop down here, but look at what they've been doing. They've been switching back over to longs. So as they're accumulating this, how do the industries or the banks, the hedge funds, the billion-dollar accounts out there, how do they get billions of dollars in the market? They need to have the market selling off. It's called an exchange for a reason, guys. You can't buy unless people are selling. So this is showing us, for those of you guys in Bitcoin and all of your altcoins, that we're most likely going to probably see a move back up here by end of week. I honestly don't think this is going to keep just going straight down to here. That's not realistic in my personal opinion, okay? Can we pause this and go over here and look at the S&P 500, because we need to keep our eyes on this over here. I've been telling you guys, we need to watch this pump here at 441.50. We got down here and now we're sitting below this. So we need to watch now, because the next greatest structure support on the S&P is actually down here at $426. It's a little nerve-wracking, not going to lie. If this thing drops back down here, Bitcoin is most likely going to be hitting down here and we have it on support here. We're probably going to come straight down to this level right here. This is the next strongest support that I can find with these wick values at the low here. It's about 37,500. It's one we just already called out in the beginning of the video. So I wouldn't doubt if we potentially see another about 6% drop in Bitcoin. But let me tell you this, guys, just as fast as this went up, and nothing goes up this fast without a correction, nothing goes down this fast without a correction. Look how fast this went down, and look how much money people made after it. Guys, I'm holding every single one of my positions, and I'm not worried at all about this drop. Not an ounce. Not at all, guys. Please hear me out on this. Our account is down about 10%. 150,000 is break even. We have other people, that come to us. They're like, look, my account's down 50 to 60% because I did not use risk management. And they're like, finally, I'm able to trade with a system that uses good risk management. That's what we're here for, guys. All right, dollar cost average entries. You guys are looking for another green bar to come out here. If we head down further, just another dollar cost average entry you guys can get into. Death cross, and then we're going to get you into a trade setup here. You guys want to make some money? Watch this setup here. Okay, death cross. We are currently seeing that we're the price action. Well, first of all, the price action is below the 200 moving average, the daily 200. Okay, that acted as resistance here. If price action can come back up here and we break above the 200 and we see the 50 move above the 200, that is what's technically called a golden cross, and it's a very bullish move for Bitcoin. As you guys are watching this video, here's my thoughts. Don't worry. Stay patient. Let the buy limits get hit. I'm a broken record. I say it all the time. What else are you going to do? Completely freak out and sell all your money right now? Like, why? Why, guys? I'm showing you on-chain metrics over here that wells are buying, and you're like, this doesn't look like a lot. No, but it is tens of millions of dollars heading into Bitcoin buying the dip right now. Seriously, guys, that's what it is showing you. We're seeing Wells institutions buy this up just as they were shorting over here. They dropped the price down. This thing is going to turn back around. Please, everybody, just take a deep breath and be patient. And let me show you how to get into a trade setup. You guys ready? Here's how we have literally won all 121 wins. And we literally have won every win. We've never lost a single trade on this channel. It's very simple once you understand how we're doing this. Watch this. Let's say you have $1,000 you want to trade with. Split it into 4 equal portions, 250, and place each of those portions at the yellow buy limits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once the first buy limit is hit, you're going to set up a sell limit in green for 100% exit. So let's say you put $250 in the market right now and boom, you get it hit this afternoon. Okay, you're in the market. You then set a sell limit up here at the green price. Awesome, that's 100% exit. Once you do this and you set the buy limits up and you're in a trade, just follow me in Telegram, guys, and I'm going to call the exits all for you. And I'm going to tell you guys when we're getting back into trades. All of this is literally done for you. Get the indicator so you can predict the tops and the bottoms. Like, definitely do that. Don't miss out on that. But really, guys, once you're in here and you have the metrics, you guys can watch what Wells are doing themselves and use them predict market moves. Those of you guys who are getting in right now for 3 to 4% scalp, you're getting in with a market order right now because trend exhaustion is in the bottom red section. Check, you're good. And well money flow is heading down. That is a pre-qualification for a scalping entry. So what you guys can do is get into this trade right now and do a market order. Let's say again, you have $1,000 and you put $250 right now at a market order. You are then going to look for 4% increase in the market and you're going to exit. All you're looking for is 3 to 4%. There's a reason why. I can explain in different videos. This is all you are looking for, guys, is 4%, less than this. That's all you're looking for is move to just go boop, just like that, and you made 4% on that first buy limit. If the market goes down, you must have good risk management, and that's why you're going to use the other 3 buy limits here. If it does go down, your break-even entry is going to move down with you, and you're still going to target 4% every time you guys are hitting buy limits. Once you hit a buy limit, I have created for you guys click on resources. You guys actually get this calculator. Download it. You literally just click right here and download it, make yourself a copy. It is the exact pinpoint accuracy to the 5th decimal of exactly what you guys can give yourself for a break-even entry. So you put in your buy limit 1 and you say you put $1,000 in, just put it over here. Say where your buy limit 2 was. It will automatically generate for you your break-even entry point, and so you know where to mock that up. And then once your break-even entry point has been hit after the first and second buy limit, then just take that break-even entry point times 1.04, which is 4%, and that's where your sell limit goes. And you're always just looking for 4%. That's what the scalping strategy is. And let me explain this to you guys too. All you have to do, go to masterclasses, scroll down on masterclasses and watch masterclass 7. You guys will get all of that, okay? But this is so much fun, guys. It's a blast. Last but not least, guys, that strategy I just showed you is our scalping strategy. The main strategy we use, where I'm calling this out, where we've gone 121 wins in a row, we try to target between 10 to 12% per trade. That is where we're making the bigger profits. But honestly, guys, some of you guys who have just been compounding it over and over and over again with the scalping strategy have technically done better than some of the trades that we're in right now. So I wanted to make sure you guys understand both those, and you have the power to enter in both those if you want. Okay, indicators. And we'll end this video here. You guys are going to get 82% off. Get these indicators in the description, guys. Don't miss this opportunity. Seriously. All 3 of the indicators you need are 40% off right now with coupon code SAVEMONEY. If you guys just get the bundle pack, you're going to get all 9 of our indicators and you'll get them for life. You get the source code to them as well. Nobody can take these away from you. Nobody. Okay? If I die, Jesus takes me to heaven, guys. I want you to have what you paid for. That's why I do this. Some people give you access to their indicators on TradingView because they're creators. That's awesome. What happens if they pass away? You guys don't get access to them anymore. What if TradingView shuts down their account? Okay, they can review access. No, none of that stuff. If you're going to pay for some of the best indicators, honestly, guys, this is the #1 selling and rated product on all of Gumroad.com for education, trading, Bitcoin, and indicators. #1 product. We're blessed by that. We're incredibly blessed. But when you pay for something like this, I want you to have the products for life. So that's why I give you guys the source codes. Okay? No one else is doing it like this. And I'm trying to win your trust with this. I do my best I can to call entries and exits. We've never lost a trade. We have a family over here that I think you guys are really going to love joining. So make sure you guys get the indicators in the description. Guys, sign up with the membership. come over into the chat as well and chat with the rest of our family over here. We have a live chat. Literally, it's a live chat going on with people in our community that are all members who are trading the strategy. If you have questions, you can ask them. And then, guys, this should be hundreds of dollars a month. But get over here, learn the education, and start making some wins here and get one of the healthiest accounts you'll ever get in the bear market. I'll teach you how to do that. And we've never lost a trade, so I think you're going to enjoy this. All right, guys. God bless you guys again. Again, I'm looking at 37,500. 37,500 for a potential move back down, but watch for the bounce back up. These are signs down here that we're going to be looking for a move back up here soon. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Don't freak out. Stay patient. Let the market come back up. Let the buy limits get hit. And before you know it, we'll be back into profit and we'll be above $150,000 and we'll be looking to take some profit out. Seriously, just be patient. That's all I'm asking, guys. Stay patient, set up the indicators, watch the entries and edges, take some scalping trades in the meantime, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All links are in the description for everything you guys need, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.